Hello guys, it's TechnoShaggy and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to configure your switch. So in this tutorial we will be learning some basic commands through which we can configure our layer 2 device switch. So let's initiate our today's class. First of all, let me make you understand there are three types of mode. First one is user mode and it's limited. So second one is privilege mode. When we type enable command, so we will be in privilege mode. Type config terminal, so we will be in global configuration mode. If you want to name your device, if you want to do any configuration, so these all configuration will be done in config terminal. If you want to view system configuration, if you want to restart your system, or if you want to erase or delete any system configuration, you can do it in privilege mode. First of all, I want to erase all of the system configuration. So for this purpose, I have to be in privilege mode. Erase startup config. It's asking whether you really want to remove all configuration files. So press enter. Erase of non-volatile RAM is complete. All your saved configuration are deleted. Startup configuration is is your all saved configuration. Whatever configuration you have already done on this device, so these will be deleted. So we have deleted all of the configuration which we have done previously on this device. Now we will configure the switch. Let's go in global configuration mode. Let's name our device host name space. Any name you can give, whatever name you want to give, you can give it. Now you are noticing that your device name is changed from switch to ESI. So now let's assign an IP address. Go to an interface. By default it's VLAN1. Now we can assign IP address to this interface. Type IP address 192.168.0.5 space then subnet mask .0. Now we have assigned IP address successfully. Now let's give password to this device. Enable password space then type any password you want to give. Press enter. Now let's encrypt the password through this command service password encryption. Now our password is encrypted. Now let's enable secret password. It's more secure and it will override the previous password. Enable secret space then give password Cisco 2. Now we have assigned password successfully. Now we want to add a banner. Banner is actually the message through which we can show that unauthorized user access is denied. If any unauthorized user want to access your device, want to make changes, so this message will be shown. So for this, type this command banner space MOTD space inverted comma, then type your message, whatever message you want to show. I want to show an unauthorized access is denied. Close the inverted comma, press enter. Now let's give password to our console line 0. Console line 0. Why we need to choose password for our console line? Because our Ethernet cable is connected to our console line 0. So for this you need to type this command line console 0. So give password, type password Cisco 3. Ask password while you log in. Now let's assign telnet ports. Line VTY 0 to 15. Total 16 switches can access using telnet. So let's give password Password Cisco 3. Ask password while login. Now it's set. This was today's video, guys. Hope you like it. If you have any query regarding this video, you can ask me on comment section. I will be answering them as soon as possible. So bye bye, take care, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos. So bye bye.